Matlo, I've got a few questions just to clarify in order for me to understand the essence of your evidence in respect of Mr. Ntuli. The questions that I'm going to ask, I just need your clarity in case I understood it wrongly.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Let's start with paragraph H of your statement, but it's part of your evidence, even if you're not going to that paragraph, but it's part of your evidence, which is the infringement that was made or dated 9 February 2016.
But which affidavit? Because I've made two affidavits.
Sorry?
Which affidavits? Because I've made two affidavits.
The first one, which has got 22 pages.
Okay. Paragraph?
It's paragraph H.
H?
Yes.
Okay, I'm there, my lord.
Yeah, it's in respect of the white polo with registration number EKG 0615GP. And the date of the infringement, if I'm correct, it's 9 February 2016.
That is correct, my lord.
Okay. Could you detect from your investigation as to who was the lawful owner of this motor vehicle at the time of this infringement?
My lord, what I detected is that the permit that was affixed on the motor vehicle was not supposed to be affixed on that motor vehicle because it was not supposed to be in a lawful position of Volvo Southern Africa, which is based in Boksburg.
Uthi ke yena into ayiboni uyakwazi na ukusho ukuthi le moto kwakade kweyakabani ngalesikhathi kuzebe kwenzakala lesisenzakalo uthi into engiyaziyo ukuthi leya moto le permit ebikade ilapho kwakade ingamelanga ibe lapho ngoba leyo moto kwakade kwamele kube eye Volvo South Africa.
So you could not detect who the lawful owner of that motor vehicle on this day of the infringement?
That is correct, madam.
Okay. And then also in your investigation, is it correct that there is no any reference that is made of any infringement which occurred under this car, which is white polo, on or about the 26th day of October 2014? In your investigations?
That is correct, my lord.
And there you have it, Mzansi. Mshololo hits the nail on the head immediately. She starts off with 26th October 2014 right away. She brings up the date and we know where she's going to go with this. There is no infringement on that date for this vehicle that is owned by my client, Mr. Ntuli, because she humanizes her client. She's not going with accused number 5. No. She wants accused number 5 to be relatable, so she uses his name. And you know, some people in the comment section have an issue when I say brilliant, but I think that was brilliant. Don't waste our time. She got straight to it because we know this witness, from past experience, just likes to answer any question in their mind and stutter and stammer and talk too fast and not make any sense. And you know, Mshololo's asking for yes/no answers. Let's go. Let's continue and hear the rest of her line of questioning.
Okay. And then the first one, which is referred to as Nissan Almera, with the first infringement of 14 July 2013. You remember that one?
Can we please go to the paragraph so that I can...
But it was part of your evidence. It's the first car. It's the first car on page 2.
I'm not denying, my lord. It's just that the information I extracted from the system, so...
Let's not debate.
Surely, Mr. Witness, Mr. Expert, I've been using the system for 16 years. You can surely remember your own testimony. It is your job, and you did testify that you're certified to do it. How can he not remember the first vehicle that she mentioned? Good catch, Mshololo, once again. And she's like, we're not here to debate. Do you remember this or not? This is definitely proving that it's going to be an interesting cross-examination between Mshololo and this witness. But before we go back to it, please remember to like this video so that it helps our channel grow, and I appreciate it every time you do.
In Nissan?
Yes, I'm there, my lord.
Yebo sengilapho?
Yes, which is the infringement occurred on the 14th of July 2013 under this Nissan Almera.
I'm listening, my lord.
My question is also from your investigation, holistically, there is no infringement that you detected under the name of Mr. Ntuli, which was infringed on or about the 27th day of October 2014, other than this one that is reflected in your report.
My lord, I've made reference to various infringement under the accused.
I'm referring to the Nissan Almera.
From which period?
Nissan Almera. You see the Nissan
Yes, I
Almera
see,
that you
my lord.
testified about?
Yes.
Yes. My question is, other than this infringement, which occurred on the 14th of July 2013, do you understand?
Yes, I'm listening.
Yes. Is there any other infringement that you detected which happened or took place on or about 27 October 2014, other than this infringement in other ways?
Under this motor vehicle, no, my lord.
26 October 2014.
Under this Almera, no, my
No,
lord.
nothing.
No.
And then let's move on to paragraph K, which is, according to my understanding, is the third infringement, but you'll correct me. Paragraph K, it's the infringement dated 20 March 2016. You see that one?
Paragraph
K,
K.
paragraph K.
I see
If I'm
again.
correct, but it's referring to grey polo.
Yes, I see, my lord. I'm there, my lord.
The registration number is CT79YZGP. Am I
see,
correct?
I see it, my lord. Correct, my lord.
Did I understand your evidence correctly to say the lawful owner of that motor vehicle on this particular day, it belonged to Banakoma Fleet?
That is correct, my lord.
Good.
Is there also any infringement which refers to the date of 26 October 2014 under this vehicle on the name of Mr. Ntuli?
No, my lord.
The accused will tell this court that he had hired this motor vehicle only for 2 days during the period of 2016, not in 2014.
That will be his version, my lord.
And also lastly, Superintendent, from your investigation also, it did not reveal as to who possessed this particular motor vehicle, the grey one, the grey Polo, on the 27th of October 2014, 26th October 2014, in your investigation.
My lord, I mean, that will be in the records of the hiring company.
Yeah, I mean in your investigation.
Yes, my lord.
In your investigation, you could not detect that.
That is correct, my lord.
Okay. Same with the white Polo. In your investigations, you also could not detect as to who was in possession of that motor vehicle on the 27th of October 2014.
That is correct, my lord.
Futhi.
And in relation to the other dates and locations detected by traffic officers under paragraph Q, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe from page 8 to page 15, you see those locations detected under the traffic officers?
Yes, I see them, my lord.
Yeah. Did I understand it correctly that these are the locations which are referring to this grey Polo?
That is correct, my lord.
Correct.
That is correct.
Oh,
my lord.
ndikuzwe.
And all those locations and dates from page 8 of your report up to page 15, they make no reference in respect of Mr. Ntuli.
That is correct, my lord.
Futhi.
One, but not last, the grey Polo. Let me start with the grey Polo. You discovered that it belonged to a fleet company. That's correct, ne?
That is correct, my lord.
Ipolo.
Were you able to get information as to when was it hired to when in your investigation, or you couldn't detect that information?
It was not part of the scope, my lord.
Same with the white Polo. It was not part of your duties to check as to when, from when to when was it hired to that particular
My lord,
fleet.
my lord, the white Polo
Right.
was in possession of a fraud. The permit that was affixed to the Polo was not supposed to be there, because when I check on the system, the lawful owner of that permit was Volvo, meaning that that permit was supposed to be somewhere in the offices of Volvo.
And it is also evidence that you couldn't verify the real owner of that motor vehicle.
That is correct, my lord.
Futhi wena.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam, for no further question.
Yeah, thanks. Is any re-examination?
So that was Mshololo, who kept it nice, short, and sweet, straight to the point, and did not beat about the bush. She simply wanted to confirm over and over and over again. For the record, I think I counted more than 5 times where this witness said no, not on the 26th of October 2014. And therefore, Mshololo was able to poke holes in this witness's testimony that grey Polo, Mshololo was able to poke the witness's testimony that the grey Polo, the accused number 5's possession on the 26th of October 2014. And unfortunately for the state, they cannot therefore place Mr. Ntuli in that vehicle on the 26th of October 2014. And the witness kept saying, no, no, no. This vehicle, because it belongs to a fleet, has multiple infringements, as you can imagine. But, this is where the part I don't understand. So this superintendent didn't take it upon himself to contact the fleet company and get the records for the time frame that he was requested by Ginimda, December 2013 to December 2014, so that they can prove on which dates that this guy had the car. I don't know. That's what I would have done. Maybe I'm an overachiever. But it seems to me he did the bare minimum. This is what Gininda wanted. This is what I gave you. But then, unfortunately, now it has left the state handicapped. And that is why Advocate Baloyi could only stand up and re-examine the witness and say, just for the record, was it a grey Polo, or what is the official color of that car? And the witness goes on to say it was, the true color is silver. Okay, Advocate Baloyi, grey, silver, they're all in the same family. It's all potato. I mean, it is what it is. Your thoughts in the comment section below, Mzansi. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe as we're on the road to 22,000 subscribers. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you on our next upload.